The situation was tense at Makindye court as family, friends, opposition political parties leaders waited for Lukwago's production in court for the mention of his case and ruling on his bail application. By 10 a.m., Elias Lukwago was delivered at court as prisons officers kept eye on him. Police and prisons oversaw the security as court proceeded, presided over by Magistrate Sarah. Lukwago's defense cited all concerns requested for court to grant bail to the accused and, in the alternative, order his immediate transfer from Makindye Prisons Hospital to Luwago National Referral Hospital. The Chief State Attorney Barbara Makindye prayed for the court when giving ruling that court considers the comprehensive written submissions which both parties filed over the weekend, not the fresh oral submissions tendered in by the defense team.
As they agree that applying for bail is a right, they have not attacked the substantiality of the sureties, apart from generally stating that Honorable Lukwago will interfere with investigations and that he may not also turn up for trial.
The trial judge adjourned the court proceedings to 2 p.m. when she would rule on bail application.
Yes, so court will stand this over for a ruling at 2 p.m.
When court's time for reconvening at 2 p.m. reached, fresh information reached indicating she was to meet both sides in her chambers, not the court hall of camera. After the engagements, Lukwago was whisked off back to Luzira prisons, with the court ruling on his bail application set to be given online within 24 hours.
She was informed that it is not advisable to come back to court to convey the news that the ruling is not ready. She did not want to gather the crowds that we have, especially when the ruling is not ready. So she undertook to deliver the ruling by ICMES within 24 hours from the time we were meeting her in chambers, both sides. She invited us to understand, one, the situation, and two, the so many words that we have used in these proceedings. The health situation is not any better. It gets worse day by day. This I must mention, because I have mentioned before, there was a German national who was denied bail in Kalangala and he died. We had the Honorable Muhammad Sejirinya who kept telling courts that he was in bad health, and they refused until it was too late. So we have put all this material before court, and we want to trust that court will understand.
Meanwhile, the president of Kenya Law Society and a delegation from East Africa Law Society attended court proceedings in solidarity of Elias Lukwago. They condemned Martha Karua's alleged deportation after she was reportedly denied entry at Entebbe International Airport.
There is no one who is above the law. And so if the law is violated, there are several tools that are in the toolbox to enforce the law, both domestically and also through the international obligations of Uganda.
Unfortunately, at the airport, Martha Karua was denied entry without giving any reason. Even after her being cleared to enter, she was accosted in the airport corridors and told she cannot enter. She has to be deported. She's awaiting deportation back to Kenya. The reason as to why that has been done is not clear.
Christmas Arinitwe reporting for UBC.